Hi friends, welcome back. Those who are new to this channel is Jayan. If you're new to this community, we have started Discord channel, so it's just a knowledge sharing out, guys. I give a link in this description. Click on and click and do join the Discord channel. It's going to completely knowledge sharing order, guys. I'm looking forward to see out there. Do join our Discord channel, guys. In today's video, I'm going to share the as a student, how can you start earning? So when I say starting earning, like earning money is not like it's not like easy. It's a difficult task. I faced so many issues when I started earning my first year itself. So I want to share all my experience, like what are the tips, like what are the types of earning you can do when you're college life. So the first step you can start earning is first thing you should learn new courses. So why I'm saying new courses, you should learn new courses because so when you're applying for internships and from freelancer project, you should know at least a skill. For example, if you're good at if you're interested to doing video editing, so at least you should know the basic skills of how to use a lot of Photoshop, how do you do the basic video editing order. So after knowing the basic concepts of the domain, you can apply for internships and freelancing. So the first step you should know a basic knowledge of the domain which you're going to pursue in college life. This is the first tip to start earning in college, guys. So as soon as let's say for example, if you're interested to go for video editing, you are completely learning the video editing course. After learning, just start applying for internships, guys. The second tip where you can start earning money, guys. So after learning the course, just apply for internships. So I know getting paid internships is not easy task. You need some patience and some time. So I would suggest everyone start doing unpaid internships. As I give we discussed in previous video, I gave a link in ICAR in description. Click on that link whether you can do unpaid internship or not. So what kind of unpaid internship is good, is a scam related unpaid internship. So I have discussed everything in that video, and do watch that video, guys. You'll get a clear understanding on unpaid internship. So after learning the course, just start hunt for internships. I'm not saying go for freelancing. First hunt for internships. So I can say do at least 1 to 2 internships for at least for unpaid internships. So why I'm saying unpaid internship, you will get basic understanding how the company works and how the process works. So how can you when you go to paid internship, how can you focus on your work? So what's the time management? So you'll get all the details over there, guys. So first doing courses, just start applying for internships, guys. You'll get internship. So as soon as getting internship, don't focus on your work, guys. When you enter an internship, just talk with the people and talk with the colleagues in the company. So I know because of COVID, you won't get physical internships. I know online internships, but ask your company managers and companies chairmen. So I try to arrange a knowledge sharing every weekend. So I don't know how many people know about this. So every IT company they have a knowledge sharing class on every Fridays. So every weekend every top MNCs in India, top MNCs in the USA, they have this culture every weekend they used to have a knowledge sharing section where a person who used to share the knowledge to the other persons. So it's complete knowledge sharing. So you can recommend, you can demand the companies which are applying over there. So this is a good why I'm saying knowledge sharing, because you might be good at one thing. Let's say you are good at video editing, so you don't know about the Photoshop. So your colleague might be good at Photoshop. So whenever they share knowledge, you get in you get a basic understanding how to do editing those Photoshops, etc. So this is how, guys. And then after applying unpaid internships, start guys. Now I said example as Photoshop. So after doing Photoshop, you'll go applying for some internships. So while doing unpaid internship, just contact few YouTubers. Let's say you have so many big million subscribed YouTubers. Just contact them. You will get a good skill. So if you can give me the job of you editing your videos, I can help you. I'm good at these skills, I can do editing. These are the samples works I did for the this many days. So you can ask them. So I've seen so many people in my LinkedIn. I got few contacts. So everyone they got video editing from major YouTubers from United States. So this is how you can earn, guys. When it comes to if you're good at coding, so start doing some coding language in the first step. After doing just apply for unpaid internship. So at the time when you're doing unpaid internship, just start doing some projects, mini projects. Let's say for example, if you're choosing the domain in machine learning, just do some mini project stock exchange market and how to prediction of the stock. So some mini project, do some mini projects. Why I'm saying mini project, guys? So while doing unpaid internship, you can contact with a few people in LinkedIn and YouTube too. You can send the GitHub accounts to them. So if they're satisfied with your account, they can give you internship opportunities. This is how you can earn money, guys. This is the first step you can earn the money in the college life. And then second step is YouTube, guys. So now I'm started YouTube. So you can give it a try. I know speaking in front of camera is a huge task. Even I faced difficulty at starting. So you can give and try. So YouTube is it's a good earning income in nowadays. So you can give it a try YouTube. like you can start with just on your camera and sit in front of your camera, just speak on any related topic, current scenario, or else you can speak some, like you can make some fun videos and you can make like remix videos, if, like it depends on the person which domain you are interested. So this is a second step, guys. We can earn money in a college. And then third step is investment, guys. So investment in the sense, like I'm not asking like invest lakhs and crores in the any investment market. Just start investing with a pocket money. I know, like for college people, every month you can save at least 1,000 rupees. I know, like 1,000 rupees is not a huge task for every college student. You can save 1,000 rupees instead of spending the 1,000 rupees in like movies and then snacks and junk foods and spending time with friends. Instead of spending that time, like money, and you can invest that saving amount in stock market and then like mutual funds. So if you don't know what is stock and mutual funds, I given link in in description. You can watch those videos, guys. You will clearly understand how to invest the money, guys. This is a third step, guys. Yes, guys, these are the 3 steps, and the final step which I observe, like we can earn money when a college life, is start clubs in your college, guys. Let's say you may have some clubs like CSC and IEEE in a college. You can start your own club. So I have been like visited some IIT campus in around India. So like students used to start some clubs over there. Like after starting club, they used to incubate with the clubs in some startups where they just work on the projects, a collaboration project from IIT, like the name of the college in the company. So you can start your own clubs and you can start your own company college, and you can collaborate projects into some startups where you get investment from the startup, guys. Let's say like if you're working on a project, let's say you're working on a stock prediction in machine learning. So you need funds for doing from projects. So you can like after starting club in your college, you can like you can ask funds from any companies using your college name. So these are the 4 steps I recommend, like if you start earning in a college life, guys. I know like earning money is a huge difficult task. So like even after earning money, it's used like the one important thing, you need to save money. I know like even saving money is not a simple thing, it's a huge task. So like when you get experience, you get used to it. So when you start digging into deep, you get experience to it, guys. So I recommend, like if you're a college student watching this video, like don't waste your time, guys. Just start investment and start doing some internships, unpaid internships, and then like even you can contact, I said in third video in my channel about LinkedIn, how to contact LinkedIn person. You can use those steps and contact with some LinkedIn profiles where they can give some internships over there, guys. So like one more thing, like when you enter in college, just don't focus on marks and placement, guys. I know like parents will be forcing on placements and marks. So instead of those things, you need to focus on internships and then how to earn money in a college. So I always used to follow this, guys. So like like engineering college with huge amount, so we need to contribute some amount to parents at least in second year and third year. So this is how I used to follow. I hope this video helps you guys. So this, like I'm not feeling well, so this is a short video. I'll try to make happen video from next long videos from next video, guys. So that's it for today's video. I hope this video helps you guys. As I said in before, and do join the Discord channel. We're going to start some courses in that. We're going to start some courses to teach students. So probably like we'll be starting on May 1. So like do join the Discord channel. We'll be teaching some interesting stuff you guys. Yeah, I'm looking forward to that. And do subscribe my channel. It's going to keep motivation for me to do more videos, guys. And if you want me to speak any particular topic, do comment that topic in comment section. I'll try to make video happen, guys. That's it for today's video. I'll meet you soon. Bye.